Alright, what's up guys? I'm Bryce.
I'm Rob.
And we are Real Time. Today we have episode 69 of Attack on Titan. This one's called A Sound Argument.
Who's arguing?
69. Nice. Last episode was pretty much just some background there on like flashbacks of how the scouts kind of forcefully became friends with the Marleyans.
They were calling themselves like the anti-Marleyan.
Yeah.
Something.
I'm pretty sure like a lot of them were Eldians, but because they were like fighting for Marley, so like most of the people fighting are Eldians, right? So
I think so.
Yeah, so we saw how we met. The only like really named characters we got were
Elena, and then the one that we can't name.
Yeah, the one that we can't name. It ends in Pawn.
I'm literally gonna look it up right now.
It's like Anya Capon or something.
I'm literally gonna look it up.
We also met Niccolo, the one that cooks.
He cooks for Sasha, and she loved it.
Cooked.
Wow. Okay.
I mean,
yeah, it's Anyan Capon. Anyan Capon.
We're gonna call him Ani.
Ani, I like Ani.
Yeah, the anti-Marleyan named
Ani.
Well, what's the full name? Anya Capon.
It's Anyan Capon.
So Anyan Capon, we're gonna call him Ani from here on out. Last episode we saw how they met Niccolo, Ani, and Yelena. They obviously helped the scouts get a lot of information on the Marleyans and just the continent
technology.
In general. Yeah, they had to explain like what aerial assault was, or like aerial devices. I think that was also their first encounter with guns.
Well, guns that could like shoot without having to pull like a bolt back or anything. Like repeating pistols.
Yeah, like automatic weapons, I guess. Then at the end there, one thing we saw was EREN like in the mirror. I don't know if that was before. I'm guessing that was before he. I don't know actually. Was that before he went over? Because
it's EREN in the mirror.
Yeah, it was EREN in a mirror, and he was saying like the only way is to fight.
He's just rocking a cool ponytail.
Yeah, he looked pretty cool. But yeah, he was saying like fight. So maybe that was him talking to himself before heading over to the mainland. So we'll have to see more on that. But yeah, Zeke is over on Paradise Island now. They have a weird in the woods little hotel, if you want to call it a hotel. They don't fully trust everyone right now. I don't really blame them though. It's the dude that tried to kill all of them, so
and did kill most of the scouts.
Yes,
literally killed Erwin, the commander.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm guessing we're just gonna get some more background on that, push the storyline further, so I'm excited to see that. Yeah, but if you guys enjoy our reactions, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, comment, check out our description for all of our playlists that we do. We do a bunch of other shows. Check out our social medias down there. We just launched a Patreon. If you guys want to see the full uncut reactions to these episodes, they're gonna be up on there. And yeah, let's get into it. Episode 69, A Sound Argument. Let's go. I mean, this is EREN.
Just keeping it 100.
She just keeps saying it. Oh.
I love Hanji.
Dude, Hanji's just...
何しに来たんですか?
何って話に来たんだよ。初めて会った時なんて一晩中巨人について。
Remember that at their headquarters or
We
whatever.
talked all night in that castle.
私は確信してた。君がヒストリアを犠牲にすることはないって。
What?
Okay.
2 years ago.
エレン、1年前君に船ごと担ぎ上げられて以来ですね。これからよろしくお願いします。
いや、今後も。
Why does he look so tall next to Levi?
Levi's short.
Jesus.
要人を迎えるのだから。パラディ島唯一の友好国、ヒーズル国。
Oh, she's the woman that helped out Falco, I believe?
No. It was the
Udo.
Udo, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I can't believe you remembered and I didn't.
見せるんだ、ミカサ。
でも、これはお母さんが秘密。
おお。
この印は死んだ母の一族から受け継いできたものです。私も自分の子に なんとけなげなことでしょう。およそ100年以上前、アズマビト家の御親にあたる我が将このパラディ島に投留しておられたのです。そして巨人大戦後、ヒーズル国は敗戦国として立場を追われ、その混乱の最中、あなたは我々が失った生き物
Wow.
Whoa.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay.
そもそも国ってのが
What is a nation?
What's a nation?
ヒーズルが利用できるなら何でもするんだ。これが罠だったら
The other nations know that Hizoru or whatever is friendly with
I don't think
Paradise?
so. Well, this is 2 years ago.
Ah.
So this is before everyone's staring at Paradise.
なんでエレンだけに見せたの？だって手首の包帯誰にも見せなかったじゃない。これは
なんか嬉しそうだな。
嬉しいんだよ。私たちは
ジーク・イエーガーの存在が不可欠でした。私どもは彼と密会し、
They met with Zeke.
来に賛同しましたことを報告させていただきます。
Lady Mikasa.
まずはこちらをご覧ください。
これは
あれ、ご存知でしたか？立体起動装置はパラディ島で開発された巨人を殺す兵器です。私が個人的に調達したものですのでご安心を。
It's like his built ODM gear.
Now remember when he killed that scout?
Yeah, and he took it.
Yeah.
Micah.
Micah. He killed Micah. That's Micah's.
されたことがない未知の地下資源です。その兵器の中にも痕跡が残っているでしょう。
ジーク・イエーガーは大国に返り咲くほどの産業を手にするでしょうと提案してきたのです。まだ埋蔵量も調査したわけで、この時代において金銀財宝に等しい資源が眠っておられるのです。
私は出汁に使われただけでは。アズマ人は
So there's one to be friendly for like their resources, it seems like. I don't know.
クイエーガーは秘策があると主張し、それにはヒーズルの介入が不可欠だとしています。こちらは地ならしでこの島を守るために必要な密見的活用、その力の一部を公開し、世界に破壊力を見せつけるのです。二つ目がヒーズルの介入、地ならしが必要なくなるまでこの
What is this rumbling they're talking about?
That's
機関
the
における
fucking
始祖および
power.
血を引く巨人両者の継続的な維持。これが三つ
The rumbling is something that the founding titan can do, where fucking all the titans in the wall will just release and crush
okay.
the whole world.
目に子を増やすこと。
他の兵器が発達しても地ならしは強力な兵器
Just said they have to bear as many kids as possible until their 13-year term comes to end.
にもわたり継承は繰り返されていく。今
Eren
私
gonna
たちが
start
助かるためならこんな解決不可能の
わかりました。私は
Oh,
お
獣の
wow.
巨人の継承を受け入れます。地ならしが我々の存続に不可欠である以上は。
四十輪された挙句家畜みてえに子供を産まされ殺されてやっと生きることが許されるっていうのなら俺はジーク・イエーガーの計画は到底を委ねるのは危険です。残された時間の限りあらゆる選択を模索するのが我々の取るべき最善策ではないでしょう。
damn.
でも君がなぜ単独
Dude,
行動
he's
に出て
shredded.
Yeah,
この島を危機に追い込んだのかがわからない。
got 3 titans.
の巨人を食いました。
え？
この巨人の能力は 地面から自在に硬質化を操り、深く固い地下に俺を幽閉しても無駄だってことです。俺はいつでも好きな時にここを出られる。当然質を持つ俺をわけにもいかない。つまりハンジさん、あなたに
Dude,
何
he's
がで
huge.
きるって言うんですか。
Damn.
教えてくださいよ。
Oh?
エレンのエッチいまだに反抗期かよ。
Aaron, you
Aggressive.
perv.
She was just playing it off.
あんたの唯一の失策だ。なんで私なんか団長にしたんだよ。
中に入ろう、ヒストリア。もっと体をいたわらないと。
He's prego.
He's pregnant. Pregente.
Bertolt's crying somewhere.
Reiner.
Or Reiner, sorry. Bertolt likes Annie, huh?
女王には相手を選ぶ権利がある。
Am I
誰の息もかかっていない相手であることは調査済みだろう。同じ地で生まれけていたらしい。構ってほしかったようだ。孤児院を手伝っていたのも罪悪感からだと。何年も顔を伏せたまま女王の方からだった。
慣れ初めなんてどうでもいい。問題は女王がなぜ今頭が切れる危険なやつだからな。女王が妊娠してジークは命拾いしたんだぞ。おい、飲みすぎだ、ログ。今ならまだ間に合う。身をも
Dude, what the hell would that look like?
I don't know.
おい、もう一本持ってこい、マネージ。かしこまりました。
Like Connie.
グリーズ、
Grease.
おすすめはこいつだろ。
Ooh. Uh-oh.
俺たちがやらなきゃいけないことなのか。
いや、やらなくていいことだ。あのバカがあんなこと。
They're just building a railroad.
いやー、この暑い中ご苦労様だよ。
いや、俺たちはこのバカの護衛で仕方なく。
お前ら、図体ばかりでかくなりやがって。
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Levi's pissed.
Don't worry, I'm hitting my growth spur here soon.
ヒーズル国は取り付く島もないようだ。やはりヒーズルはパラディ島の資
Yeah,
源を
that's
独
all I
占
want.
取引したいのだから。お前の種であり続けることを望んでいる。それが国々の団結を促し、世界の安定を担保するから。
地ならしに頼るしかなくて、ヒストリアの犠牲は避けられないってことですか。
そうなる。
そんな、こちらの糸。どうしてみんなが平和になる道を考えられないんだ。
それはわからないからだと思う。私たちが何者か。
するわけにはいかないからね。だから会いに行こう。わからないものがあれば理解しに行けばいい。それが調査兵団だろ。
Uh-oh.
本場のマーレ料理に舌包みを。
俺何持っていこう。腹を下したら大変だよな。
Connie
Connie
be
has some
shitting.
crazy lines, bro.
Connie be shitting.
聞いてた？
僕たちが平和を望んでいることを世界が知れば、何かが。
Yeah, I guess they can go there and infiltrate because they literally don't know what they look like.
もう少し時間があればな。俺の寿命は5年とあと少ししかね。
5 years left, and this was 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
「
私が引き継ぐ。
Ooh.
お前じゃダメだろ。アッカーマン家が何なのかまだ分かってねえんだ。何よりヒーズは多すぎんだよ。
じゃあ他に誰が？
俺だ。まず俺はエレンよりはるかにあ。
Johan's literally still been shitting on Eren like since day one.
They're rivals. They're rivals.
お前のお下がりは気に入らねえな。実際俺以上の人材がいるか？
そんなすげえやつを13年でミス死なすわけにいかねえだろ。社とか目指せよ。エレンの巨人は俺が継ぐから。
Oh.
な、それがいいだろ。
ないですよ。あなたはバカなんですよ。
え？
じゃなくて、バカにそんな重要なことを任
Jesus.
せられるわけないじゃないですか。
You're an idiot. Eh?
Yeah, Sasha.
Everyone's like, fuck. Alright, I'll do it.
I'll do it.
私たちくらいなら消去法で私しか。
She'll be eating everyone as a Titan.
Yeah.
それはおかしいだろ。
え？
いや、だからバカには任せられないってお前が言ったんだ。お前は俺より
Boom
もバカなんだ。
roasted, bro.
お前。
I like how his face
He's
when how
clapping
he's saying
back.
this, bro. He's so serious.
俺はお前らに継承させるつもりはない。
なんでだ？
お前らが大事だからだ。長生きしてほしい。
It's like kind of similar to what Reiner was saying to the kids. Or like how he didn't want Gabby to inherit the
Yeah.
armored because he wanted her to live a long life.
何赤くなったんだ。どうすんだよこの空気をよ。
What is this mood you are in?
じゃん、夕日のせいだよ。みんな赤くなってるからさ。
Nope. They're all just blushing because Eren said that he cares
Yeah.
about them.
Eren's blushing himself. I wouldn't have been so kind to John after what he just said about me, but
Back in the present.
まさかピクス司令がそんな強硬策に出るとはな。
調査兵団は彼らと距離が近いから事前に知らされなかったらしい。
そうせざるを得ないだろうな。
Mikasa is bundled up.
mm-hmm. There's Connie looking out in the window.
計画に乗ったエレン。ジークと接触して何を話したのか。
お前らにはあれがエレンに見えたか。俺は違うと思う。あいつはエレンじゃない。もしあいつが俺たちじゃなく腹違い。
どうするの？
俺たちは奴を切る覚悟をしておく必要がある。
そんなことさせない。
Mm.
お前もそっちにつくのかよ。
Vegas is pretty much his half sister.
Eh.
Eh.
みんなも分かっているはず。だから私たち以外の外部に対してきっとその思いが強すぎたから。
それは違うぞ。かつてのあいつはいくらお前が強くても前線から遠ざけ。お前を戦場に呼んだ。あいつが大事だと言った俺もコニーもサシャもだ。
それは私たちが信頼さ。
サシャが死ぬこともなかっただろうな。ミカサ、サシャが死んだ時エレンはどうしたと思う？
Yeah, he cried, right?
よせ。
笑いやがった。
Oh, he was laughing.
一体何がそんなにおかしかったんだろうな。
I thought he was crying.
説明してくれよ、ミカサ。
Laughing.
なんでエレンは笑ったのか。エレンのことは何でもわかるんだろう。
That's fucked up then.
エレンと話そう。僕とミカサと3人だけでエレンの真意を確かめるんだ。
話し合ってどうする？もし
巨人化の薬を入手した兵団には選択肢がある。まさか、信頼できる他の誰かを巨人にしてエレンの始祖を継承する選択だ。
Come on. I want to know why he laughed though. That's fucked up. I mean, I'm pretty sure it was when he heard that she said meat was her last words. But like, still
Not a
fucked
good time
up.
to laugh.
No. What did we learn there, Rob? We found out the nation of Hizuru. Yeah, they saw Mikasa's like symbol on her arm and realized she was like the descendant of royalty that from their nation, I think, and she's like the savior or something. She was like the one child left on the island or on Paradise Island accidentally or something. Also, Hizuru apparently only wanted like their resources.
Yeah, so
to, like,
do you think that we can take them for their word for what they said about Mikasa?
Yeah, I don't know.
If all they wanted was to monopolize the resources.
Yeah, maybe they were just gassing her up, make her feel special.
I don't know.
Eren's being like weird right now. Like he was being real odd to Hanji. Very aggressive.
He literally like grabbed her.
Yeah.
And, like, pulled her up against the gate like a jail cell. Like really aggressively. And he said that he like threatened. He's like, I can fucking leave whenever I want. Like nothing can hold me here.
Probably he's telling the truth.
Oh yeah.
Because he said he has a warhammer now, so he can just go underground. So then we saw there the scouts were talking about how they don't really trust him right now, like most of them.
Yeah.
And like he's just been acting weird. Connie was like, that wasn't Eren. That doesn't seem like him. And how like whatever him and Zeke talked about, only those two know of. So like if they have some ulterior plan or something, whatever they want to like really do, we don't like, no one else knows. So they can't really trust him right now, it seems like. But I think Armin wants to go, he said he wanted to go talk to Eren with only him and Mikasa. And they also like hinted that since they have the serum now, they can potentially eat him and take the founding titan. But like, I feel like that's pretty drastic.
Yeah.
I think something crazy would have to happen for them to attempt to do that. So I don't think that's like a possibility right now, really, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was episode 69, A Sound Argument. If you guys enjoyed our reactions, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, comment, check out our Patreon for the full uncut reaction, and stay tuned tomorrow for episode 70. Peace.